Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, we will only focus on how to rationalize the denominator. When we have 1 over surd 3, which is fraction, the above one, yang atas kita panggil numerator, and this one is called denominator. Supposedly, the denominator cannot have surd. As you can see here, when we have 1 over surd 3, our denominator is surd 3. So, we cannot live like this. Okay, kita tak boleh tinggal jawapan kita macam ni je. Okay, biasanya kita kena hilangkan surd tu dulu. So, how? Okay, so the method to hilangkan kita punya surd dekat denominator tu, okay, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Okay, what is conjugate? We will see in the next part. Okay, so when we multiply with conjugate, this process is what we call rationalization. Another example is, let's say we have 3 surd 2 over 5 plus surd 3. Our denominator is 5 plus surd 3. So, ada surd kan? So, we need to rationalize first. If our denominator contain surd 3, okay, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Denominator surd 3, our conjugate is also surd 3. Why we will obtain the denominator without surd? Because when we multiply surd 3 and surd 3, we will get 3. So, tak ada dalam surd. Next, if we have surd 3 plus 1, our conjugate is surd 3 minus 1. Okay, for this one, I will show you. If we multiply surd 3 plus 1 and surd 3 minus 1, we will get surd 3 squared minus 1 squared. So, 3 minus 1, we get 2. So, no surd, right? Next, surd 3 minus 1, our conjugate is, okay, the opposite sign. So, surd 3 plus 1. After we multiply, we will get 2. And next, when we have 3 minus surd 2, our conjugate, yes, 3 plus surd 2. Again, after you multiply, okay, use formula, this one A minus B, and this one is A plus B. When we multiply, we will get A squared minus B squared. That's why kita akan dapat 3 squared minus surd 2 squared. So, 9 minus 2, 7. And lastly, when we have surd 5 minus surd 3, our conjugate is surd 5 plus surd 3. Again, after kita multiply, guna rumus yang warna merah tu, we'll get 5 minus 3, so 2. Habislah. Okay, that's why we will obtain the denominator without surd. Let's look the example for rationalization. Example 3, we want to rationalize the denominator of A, 5 over surd 3. So now we have fraction, pecahan. Okay, denominator tak boleh ada surd, cannot have surd. That's why we need to rationalize. Kita nak hilangkan surd yang dekat denominator tu. So how? Okay, so remember, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Since we have surd 3 dekat dia punya denominator, that means kita kena darab dengan surd 3 juga. So, bila bawah kita darab dengan surd 3, dekat atas pun kita kena darab dengan surd 3. So, that's why 5 times surd 3, we have 5 surd 3. Surd 3 times surd 3, surd yang sama bila darab. Okay, so dia akan jadi 3. That's why this is our final answer. 5 surd 3 over 3. Example 3b, we want to rationalize 1 over 7 minus surd 2. Again, denominator cannot have surd. Okay, dekat denominator kita ada surd, jadi tak boleh. That's why kita kena rationalize. So, to rationalize, we need to multiply with, dekat denominator we have 7 minus surd 2. Jadi, our conjugate is 7. Okay, so negative. That's why kita kena plus surd 2. Since bawah kita darab dengan 7 plus surd 2, atas pun kita dah kena darab dengan 7 plus surd 2. And then expand carefully. 1 times 7 plus surd 2, we have 7 plus surd 2. Okay, 7 minus surd 2 times 7 plus surd 2. Okay, if you still remember, we have A minus B, A plus B. After we expand, actually we will get A squared minus B squared. So that's why 7 minus surd 2 times 7 plus surd 2, we will have 7 squared minus surd 2 squared. Okay, so simplify, we will get 7 plus surd 2 over 7 squared, 49, minus surd 2 squared, 2. So our final answer is 7 plus surd 2 over 47. Next, 3C, we have 2 surd 3 over 5 plus surd 3. So to rationalize, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Since our denominator is 5 plus surd 3, so our conjugate is 5 minus surd 3. Okay, when denominator we times with 5 minus surd 3, that means numerator pun kita kena multiply dengan benda yang sama. So, expand. 2 surd 3 times 5. So, kita darab nombor dulu. 2 darab 5, 10 surd 3. Okay, since belah kiri ni kita ada satu je term, so kita terus times dengan negative surd 3. So 2 surd 3 times dengan negative surd 3, 2 times 1 plus minus, so minus 2 times 1, 2, surd 3 times surd 3. Surd 3 darab surd 3, so tinggal 3. So over this one, 5 plus surd 3 times 5 minus surd 3, again A minus B, A plus B. Kita akan dapat A squared minus B squared. That's why 5 squared minus surd 3 squared. Okay, saya suka tulis macam ni. Why? Sebab kadang-kadang dia ada surd, kadang-kadang dia tak ada surd. So, kita hati-hati sikit lah. And then simplify, we will get 10 surd 3 minus 2 times 3, 6 over 5 squared, 25 minus surd 3 squared, 3. simplify, kita akan dapat 10 surt 3 minus 6 over 20. 25 minus 3, 22. Okay, here we can still simplify. Why? Because we have 10, 6 and 22. Okay, so how to simplify? 10, 6 dengan 22. Okay, kita try bahagi 2. 10 divide by 2, 5. 6 divide by 2, 3. 22 divide by 2, 11. That's why our final answer is 5 surt 3 minus 3 over 11. Okay, kita dah tak boleh simplify dah. Example 3E, we have 7 plus surt 7 over 7 minus surt 7. So to rationalize, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Since we have denominator 7 minus surt 7, so our conjugate is 7 plus surt 7. So denominator 7 plus surt 7, atas pun kita kena darab dengan benda yang sama. So 7 plus surt 7. After that, we need to expand. Expand 7 times 7, 49. 7 times surt 7 plus 7 surt 7. Surt 7 times 7 plus 7 surt 7. And surt 7 times surt 7, surt yang sama, times. Bila surt 7, darab surt 7, 7 over. Okay, since this one A minus B, A plus B, dia akan jadi A squared minus B squared. So we have 7 squared minus surt 7 squared. And then we need to simplify. 49 plus 7, 56 plus 7 surt 7 and 7 plus 7 surt 7. So 7 plus 7, 14 surt 7 over 7 squared, 49 minus surt 7 squared, 7. So 56 plus 14 surt 7 over 49 minus 7, 42. Okay, after this we can simplify 56, 14 and 42. Okay, boleh try lah banyak-banyak kali kan, 2, 7. Okay, ataupun kalau kita check 56 and 42, okay, kita boleh divide dengan 14. So 56 divide by 14, 4. 14 divide by 14, 1. 42 divide by 14, 3. That's why our final answer is 4 plus surt 7 over 3. So this is our final answer. As we can see here, denominator kita dah tak ada surt dah. Okay, so this is our final answer. Example 3F, we have surt 17 minus surt 5 over surt 17 plus surt 5. So we want to rationalize. To rationalize, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Since we have the denominator surt 17 plus surt 5, so we need to multiply with surt 17 minus surt 5. Okay, so numerator should be the same. So surt 17 minus surt 5. Okay, and then we expand. Surt 17 times surd 17. Surd yang sama, so 17. Surd 17 times negative surd 5, so minus surd 17 surd 5. Surd 5 times surd 17 minus surd 17 surd 5. Negative surd 5 times negative surd 5. Negative negative positive, surd 5 times surd 5, 5. And then divided by, okay, same like before, A plus B, A minus B, so we will have A squared, so surd 17 squared minus B squared, B surd 5 squared. And then we need to simplify. 17 plus 5, 22. This one actually is the same, so minus 2 surd 17 surd 5 divided by surd 17 squared, 17 minus surd 5 squared, 5. So we will get 22 minus 2 surd 17 times 5 divided by 17 minus 5, 12. So now 22, 2 and 12 we can simplify. 22, 2 and 12 we try divided by 2. 22 divided by 2, 11 minus 2 divided by 2, 1. 17 times 5, 85 divided by 12 divided by 2, 6. So this is our final answer. For example 4a, we have 2 over surd 3 minus 1 plus 1 over surd 2 plus 2. Okay, to rationalize this example, first, since we have 2 terms here, so 2 over surd 3 minus 1, we need to multiply with the conjugate. Since our denominator is surd 3 minus 1, so we need to multiply with the conjugate surd 3 plus 1. So yang atas pun sama, times surd 3 plus 1. And then plus, we have 1 over surd 2 plus 2. So we need to multiply with the conjugate untuk kita punya denominator, surd 2 minus 2. Atas pun sama, kita darab dengan surd 2 minus 2. And then we expand 2 times dengan surd 3 plus 1. So 2 times surd 3, 2 surd 3, 2 times 1, positive 2. And then denominator, surd 3 minus 1, surd 3 plus 1. So dia akan jadi A squared minus B squared. So surd 3 squared minus 1 squared plus 1 times surd 2 minus 2. So 1 times surd 2, surd 2. 1 times 2 minus 2. For the denominator, okay, kita multiply surd 2 plus 2 dengan surd 2 minus 2. Expand. Actually sama juga kan, kita ada A plus B, A minus B. So that means kita ada A squared minus B squared. So kita akan ada surd 2 squared minus B dia 2 squared. Okay, and then we simplify. 2 set 3 plus 2 over set 3 squared 3 minus 1 squared 1 plus set 2 minus 2 over set 2 squared 2 minus 2 squared 4. Okay, and then we will get 2 set 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 2 plus set 2 minus 2 2 minus 4 negative 2. So now we have one fraction plus one fraction. Bila satu pecahan tambah satu pecahan, kita kena buat apa? Jom recall. Okay, let's say kita ada 1/2 tambah 2/3. Macam mana kita nak simplify dia? Okay, bila kita ada satu pecahan tambah satu pecahan, bila tambah, jangan guna calculator, guna manual. So bila pecahan, bila kita nak tambah, kita tengok dia punya denominator. Yang ni denominator dia 2, yang ni denominator dia 3. So bila nak selesaikan, 2 ni kita darab dengan 3, 3 ni kita darab dengan 2. So bila bawah kita darab dengan 3, atas pun kita darab dengan 3, bawah darab dengan 2, atas pun kena darab dengan 2. So 1 darab 3, 3, 2 darab 3, 6, tambah 2 darab 2, 4 per 3 darab 2, 6. Bila denominator dia sama, pembawah dia dah sama, kita boleh gabung 3 tambah 4 per 6. So 3 tambah 4, 7 per 6. Jadi konsep yang warna hijau ni kita akan guna kepada konsep yang biru ni. So salah satu cara adalah negatif ni kita keluarkan dia. So kita akan dapat 2 set 3 tambah 2 per 2 tolak set 2 tolak 2 per 2. Maksudnya sekarang ni denominator dah sama, jadi kita boleh gabungkan dia. So 2 set 3 plus 2 minus set 2, negatif times negatif plus 2 over 2. Okay, so simplify. 2 set 3 plus 2 plus 2, so plus 4 minus set 2 over 2. And then kalau nak simplify lagi, kita pecahkan 2 set 3 per 2 tambah 4 per 2 tolak set 2 per 2. So 2 bahagi dengan 2, kita akan dapat set 3 tambah 4 bahagi 2 tinggal 2 tambah set 2 per 2. So this is our final answer. Next example for C, we have set 3 plus set 2 over set 3 minus set 2 plus set 2. Okay, so to rationalize, we need to multiply set 3 plus set 2 over set 3 minus set 2. Okay, since we have two term here, okay, first we need to multiply the conjugate of the first term. Since our denominator is set 3 minus set 2, so our conjugate is set 3 plus set 2. Bila bawah kita darab dengan ni, atas pun kita kena darab dengan benda yang sama. Set 3 plus set 2. And then plus set 2. Okay, so pull dulu yang ni, and then we expand set 3 times set 3, set yang sama, set 3. So bila kita darabkan set 3, dia akan jadi 3 plus set 3 times set 2, set 6 plus set 2 times set 3. So again plus set 6, set 2 times set 2, set yang sama, set 2 times set 2, 2 over, okay, this one a minus b, a plus b. So again a squared, so our a is set 3 squared minus our b is set 2, so set 2 squared. Don't forget to plus set 2, our second term, and then simplify. 3 plus 2, 5 plus set 6 plus set 6, 2 set 6. This one careful, okay? Over set 3 squared, 3 minus set 2 squared, 2 plus set 2, and then simplify again. We will get 5 plus 2 set 6 over 3 minus 2, 1 plus set 2. Okay, set 2 actually it is over 1. If we have 2 term plus, actually kita kena samakan pembawah. Kita kena make the denominator equal first. But since denominator the first term is 1 and denominator of the second term is also 1, so dah sama. Jadi kita boleh skip lah step untuk kita samakan pembawah, since dia punya denominator both sama. So now we will have 5 plus 2 set 6 plus set 2. Okay, boleh simplify lagi tak? 5 plus 2 set 6 plus 2. Okay, tak boleh dah. So that's it. This is our final answer. Okay, done for rationalizing the denominator. In the next video, we will cover about how to solve equation involving set. See you again. Bye.